Loki's popping up all over the timeline.
Got a lock on him.
Let's go.
He was here.
There.
Is it him? It's so dark.
This'll do it. Much better.
Missed him.
How now, fair maid?
We were just leaving.
Yeah.
There. What does that say?
Is that Latin?
All hail Loki?
It's magic. Magic-a. Magic-a? Magic-a.
Did he pose for this?
Now a silly one. Loki went everywhere.
You call these with a temp pad?
It's not a temp pad.
You can't get this quality with a temp pad.
Can you send me that?
Share the epic on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Marvel Studios' Loki Season 2. Streaming October 6th, exclusively on Disney+.
Come on, man.